Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mustafa from the Majestic Food channel. Welcome to this third video of the channel. Today is going to be different. It's going to be something very amazing, something strange, something that we've never done before. The first time in my channel is going to be like that. So we are in Akasaka, Japan. No, we're still in Manassas, Virginia. We're going to go to a restaurant called Akasaka. It's like a Japanese style restaurant. They have like steak and they have like a sushi bar. So let's go inside and let's see what they have. We're gonna order some food, we're gonna eat some food, and we're gonna see how it could look like. So finally we found a table that's really full with people, and I'm with this beautiful family. They agreed to join me, they agreed to join them to the table. So they're gonna be together with me in the same video. So we're gonna enjoy the food so that they have an opportunity to record more food, not just only one kind of food. So it's gonna be it's a cool thing. What is that? So what is that? So speak to me about it. What's that?
I don't know what it is.
GM sushi roll.
GM sushi roll? Okay.
Yeah. Shrimp and crab.
Shrimp, crab, avocado. So you ordered that, right? And you come with a salad and a miso soup, mushroom soup. It's just an appetizer. So our chief is here to cook for us. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, muy
Muy bien, gracias. All right.
Yeah, good.
Good.
All right, it's yummy sauce.
Yummy.
Wow, yummy, yummy sauce. Wow.
I like
Yummy, yummy. You smile.
Oh, yeah?
Mateo. Saluda en la cámara. La competición.
So where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
Huh?
Morocco.
Yeah?
Marruecos.
Yeah?
Yep. Close to Barcelona and Real Madrid.
Well then.
Yeah.
So I like number 10, man. Hola, hola. That means you're making fun of us. No, I'm talking about here. So you don't like this?
It's not I don't like it, because I can't eat it because I'm getting sick. Yeah, I love shrimp, I love seafood, but I
Don't
can't
worry,
eat it.
man. Be happy, man. Everything
Yeah, that's
okay.
what I said. Yeah.
That's my lady told me last night.
Oh wow. Oh my God. There you go. That's what I came for. Oh wow. Woo!
Fire! Fire on the hole!
I just told us to do that, and I'm like,
Oh, that was nice. Nice. Oh, he got some skills, man. Wow, he got skills.
Yeah.
Wow. It's gonna be one of the best video ever.
Huh?
It's gonna be one of the best video ever.
Really?
Yeah.
But I don't want to go channel 5, right? I want to go channel 14, okay? Not channel 5.
Yeah.
Univisión.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Wow, 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 wow.
I want to go number 14, okay? Not number 5, okay?
You're gonna be number 1, man. There you go. There you go.
Number 1? Number 1? I don't want to go number 1 and not number 10, man.
Excellent.
Around the world.
Oh, look at the magic. Wow.
Very, very good.
Uh-huh.
Very good.
Very, very nice. Muy bien.
You have some magic tricks.
Something for lady love. See it? Love.
And for
Love.
what you wanna make?
No, man, no.
Oh man.
Hey, yeah, love. Fry on the hole.
Oh, again?
Fry on the hole.
Oh, Rirabaj.
Oh la la. Oh la la. Pepsi Coca-Cola.
Which is better for you? Pepsi or Coca-Cola?
You want this in the camera? The portrait camera.
Coca-Cola better. Noodle.
Noodles.
Noodle.
You love noodles?
Noodle. Vegetable.
Kids love veggies.
Oh, very good.
Teo, ¿comiste, Mateo? Sí.
Nugget chicken, va?
Oh, chicken! Pak, pak, pak! Pollo!
Be quiet.
Oye, it's alive.
Still alive, man. Still alive. Hold up. Va? Be quiet.
Trata de cambio.
One by one, fried rice.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Grazie.
Yes.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hey, little fried rice for you.
Bye bye.
Bonito. Ahí refil. Por el plano de huevo, ahí va el dinero. Pero le damos el dinero, ahí va el dinero.
Huh? No, we call Japanese spaghetti, man. Not low man, okay? Low man from China, okay?
Ah.
It's Japanese food, okay? Not from China, okay? China no good, man. China no bueno.
Oh, you see?
Japanese food better.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, man. So how you want? Well done or medium well?
Medium well.
Medium well.
Yep.
I think everybody wants medium well.
No, well done for free.
No, you got medium well for you.
Medium well, please, yeah.
He well done. Well done. All you need medium well.
No problem.
Wasabi?
No wasabi.
Wasabi is green, right?
Garlic one.
Oh, garlic, garlic.
A lot?
Mucho.
Like you like it?
Later. Later.
Sí, pues. Thank you. Todo en el combo.
What is it?
Noodles, pa.
Noodle, Papa.
Yes, papá.
Very, very good, Papa. Yeah, Japanese noodle. Mucho bueno.
Está frío. Dale, Mateo.
It's starting now for put it cold. It's starting now for put it cold. How do you think? You want to wait there? You don't have to wait there? Oh, yeah. Better.
Nice.
Funeral time. I mean, like, what do you do for camera for?
That's for YouTube.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe later I'm gonna get paid for it, you know.
Really?
After I get a lot of views,
Really?
I'm gonna get paid for it, yeah. Woo! Wow, look at this. Like a volcano, wow.
Don't put it in the fire. You can eat now, eat now, man.
It's okay.
It's getting cold, man.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, you
It's
go.
okay, it's fine.
Thank you.
Next one. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's very entertaining.
That's only no. I forget.
Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, outside. Oh, nice. Ah! Hey, got it. Let's try this food and see how it tastes like, okay? First we're gonna start with the steak. Some steak. Try it with this. Let's try it first without sauce. Wow, steak is really tender. It's actually cooked the way I asked for, medium well. So you make it the right doneness. The noodle, Japanese noodle is really, it's really sweet. Also, the vegetables are well cooked. As you can see on the grill, he cooked it well. It has a lot of flavors. It's very good. Fried rice is good too. Nice fried rice. You start with this yummy sauce. It's like a mayonnaise, minced mayonnaise, a little bit sweet and salty, which is very good. Hey, my friend, what's that sauce? Teriyaki sauce? What's that sauce? What's that?
Duck sauce? No,
Duck-
this is
oh,
not
duck-
Japanese.
duck
That's
sauce?
duck sauce here.
Okay, let's try with duck sauce.
About duck sauce, no.
Duck sauce, yeah.
This is Japanese steakhouse, okay? This we call yum yum and ginger sauce, man.
Nice.
No, duck sauce?
That sauce is very nice. That
Yeah.
is very good.
Ready, man? Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
So wow, that was amazing. That was magical. That was unexpected. This beautiful family you see with me, because I can just stay by myself on the table. So the owner of the restaurant said, if I don't mind to sit with them. I was like, it's okay if it's okay with them. I can sit down with them if I don't bother them. They said the people was from Guatemala. They are like Latinos. They said, okay, you can sit with us and you can take a video with us, no problem. So that was an amazing thing. You see, the chef was doing amazing stuff. It was showing up his cooking skills. And he was doing a lot of extraordinary things. The food was good. The food was great. I'm gonna leave the address and for this restaurant and the contact, of course, phone number and everything in the description. So please welcome to this Akasaka restaurant. You can come in. You can bring your family. You can have fun. They have a lot of things to go. They have a lot of seafood, a lot of meat, a lot of vegetables. As you can see on the table, the chef can demonstrate all his skills, all this stuff. I wish you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, so if you like the video, just please subscribe and share with your family and food, and please come to the Akasaka. It's the best Japanese restaurant in Manassas. I'll see you on the next video, and cheers.